All right, heroes, we are back again at Excelsior Motorsports. We have the man, Zach, the myth, and the legend. We are back here getting some checkups and some work done on the Corvette. Take a look at just, oh my gosh, this is like Corvette holy grail right here. And look at this, guys. This is goal. Someday we will try and get our Z07 Z06 to be like that someday. Not there yet today, but someday we're gonna try and get like that. But I'm telling you guys, Excelsior Motorsports is a shop you're gonna want to go to if you have anything LS, LT, or just any racing car. To be honest with you, they do pretty much anything here. They will take care of you guys. One more time, Excelsior Motorsports. Damn, this is clean. All these race cars in here, y'all. Race cars galore in here. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, well, it looks like these are still in really pretty good shape over here. Like this car, it looks like, okay, it's probably a track car, so I think that's why they give me a little bit of leeway, you know? Yeah, it's... Hey, that carbon diffuser looks nice. Yeah, it's interesting, like those AFE tips, they're big, but they're like circular, while those look like flutes. Like yeah. how the exhaust like flares out, you know? Trumpets. Yeah, it look like trumpets, yeah. So it pops in and pops out. Yeah, that carbon looks nice. And because the tips aren't carbon now, you can kind of see the difference. There's so much carbon going on. Yeah, that looks nice. Quality video. It's kind of interesting, like how much goes into just the diffuser part, you know? Yeah, bolts here, bolts there. Everything. We got it all back in. Looks nice. Very, very nice. All right, again, shout out to RS Future for this crazy splitter. You guys can see underneath, super lightweight. Look at that, so fire. You see the under panels, LG sway bars there, DSC Tractive Shocks here. Damn, you can just see. Yeah, see, so we got the coated ceramic AFE headers and the AFE X pipe. So this car is really rowdy, but I definitely wanted to go ahead and put the stock catback on just so it's a little bit more quiet, not as loud when I'm driving it around. But even when you put it in track mode, it's basically straight pipe anyway. But man, I have to say, I do love just the styling of the tips now. I think it really just goes well with the car. But yeah, then we're going ahead and checking out the car, but take a look just at all of these cars, man. Again, GT1, insane C7 bodied, custom chassised race car. Like, look at this. Man, like, this is absolutely, I would love to be able to drive this car someday. I think that would be such goals, man. Like, man, driving something that's basically a $500,000 race car. Like, how sick is this? So one day, guys, we will get this car to be, you know, something like that. But got the kit car over here. We have a crazy 427 bored out to a 7-liter LT5 ZR1 in here, and just damn, look at all these cars. Again, guys, this is Excelsior Motorsports. Fantastic shop where we're going ahead and getting everything checked out. The diffuser looks like it checks out, and the exhaust looks like it checks out, and we're going ahead and finishing up a few things. All right, y'all, so we had a bad O2 sensor, so we went ahead and put a brand new O2 sensor. That's probably eventually gonna go, but for now we got the brand new O2 sensor. We're about to go ahead and do an oil change now, the SR oil, I believe, the good stuff. But overall, not bad at all. For a checkup, guys, big thing, I always recommend, guys, check up on your cars, especially your race cars. I come here to Excelsior Motorsports usually at least twice, at least very minimum once a year. Just have them take a look at the car. Got a code. The code was for the O2 sensor. When got that checked out, getting an oil change done. They're checking to make sure everything is still good on the bottom underneath portion. No leaks going on. Like I said, I went ahead and put the stock Catback exhaust back on. But overall, I am just so happy for this car. If you open it, nothing was in there. But I'm sure the car at that point would have gone to major limp mode or something if there was no oil in the car.
It doesn't know, it'll just blow up.
Really?
Yeah, there's no low oil sensor on this car. You're never gonna run out of oil.
Yeah.
If you're even a port low, you know that you got a problem.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. And then you're able to, because you put 10 quarts in that, so you know how much is in there?
Well, I put 10 quarts in these bottles.
Yeah, that makes sense. So wherever that's at, you know how much is left. That makes sense. All right, y'all, finish the oil change. Finish putting the stock axle back on. We went ahead, this rivet actually came out when we were driving down here, so we put the rivet back on, or Zach did, and we got the O2 sensor swapped out again. So overall, the car is looking absolutely fantastic. Shout out again to Excelsior Motorsports. I keep saying, guys, you already see all the cars in here. This is the place you're gonna definitely wanna go for anything track related. Zach is an absolute genius over there. But overall, guys, thank you for checking out the video, and man, I am so excited to drive this car again. All right, guys, we got her back on the ground, ready to get going. Got the oil change done, got the exhaust change. We went ahead and put the rivets back in. We went ahead and put the new O2 sensor in there. Did a whole bunch of stuff, and the car is now done. The checkup is good. It is good to go. We even checked the brake pads. Brake pads look good. The rotors look good. The car looks good. I definitely do need to get new tires on the car, but damn, like, this car is just so beastly, man. Like, it looks fantastic. Just so happy, so proud to say this is my car, man. But one more time, guys, thank you guys for all the support. Thank you for all the help. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, follow the dreams, subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams, make them reality. Let's have a great day, y'all. Let's get it. Peace.